Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to switch on this type of smart class. There are some changes which is being made, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए how you will switch on the smart class. First of all, you have to check this switch. It should be on, smart class switch of your room. After switching it on, you will open this box. Keys will be provided to you. Now you have to check only two switches we have to use from this complete panel, right? Number one is this one, first switch in power, we can say section, and then number two is this projector section on switch. Only these two switches we have to use, and this is your starting and ending switch, right? You have to switch it on first, and in last, when you are switching off the system, after shutting down your system, when you want to switch off the smart class, again you have to press this button. And this is a long press button. We have to press it little long, like I'm pressing it, and you will hear this type of sound from UPS, means your UPS is on. Now you have to press this second button. This is for CPU. When you will switch on your CPU, you can see in this indicator light will come. This is the indication that your CPU is on. Otherwise, you can turn this mouse and then you will see light will come. It means CPU is on. CPU and UPS is on. Now next work is to switch on the projector. This smart class projector will be there in each and every smart class room. With this red button, you have to switch it on. Okay, you have to just align with the projector and switch it on. After your projector gets on, you can see it will show you green light. You can see this green light, right? And then it takes 1 or 2 minutes to get your smart class on completely. We are waiting. So our projector is starting. You can see it start displaying something on the screen, and our smart class is on, right? After the smart class getting on, what you have to do, yes, now it's on completely. Now in each smart classroom on desktop, one icon is there, this extra marks icon, right? In some of the room, this icon is of Mozilla Firefox, and in some of the room it is of Google Chrome. So you just have to double click on it. It may take some time. You don't have to click again and again, right? You just have to wait. You can see the login page of extra marks will appear here. You can see here, right? Here you have to fill your username and password, and username is your first name for all the teachers, and password will be 123456. So I am typing here my first name, right? That is Sandeep. Typing here Sandeep. And my password is 123456. Password is common for all the teachers. 123456 is your password. Now you can see I am logged in. Now I have to select the class which I want to teach, like class 6, and I have to select the subject, chapter or topic, and then I will submit. Okay, now I will go to SLM content. SLM means our animated content. It will be started like this.
Sources of food.
Here you will next and previous.
Food we eat is helpful in providing energy,
If you want
repairing
to,
damaged body parts, body's growth and development, maintaining body temperature.
Now, let us first learn about the vegetarian food.
if you want to go back, this is the timeline, like the topics which you have opened. I want to go to my subject again, so I will click on science. This way you have to operate the smart class, and after completion of your work, firstly you have to log out from here. Here is the logout button. You have to click on this logout. After clicking on logout, this one, then you have to shut down the system. Click on start button and then click on shut down. You have to wait for few minutes so that system should shut down properly. It's shut it down. Now our final work is, again we have to long press this first button. In first button we have to long press. Now our smart class is closed completely, right? Now we have to just do this. We have to close this keyboard panel. We have to put the mouse at its proper place, this way, and then we have to just close this drawer and then push this trolley. That's it. Our work is complete. I hope you all have understood properly. And one more thing I can tell, when you are switching off from here in these buttons and your smart class is making sound, it means your UPS is on. So you have to, in this case, you have to long press this button again, first button in power panel. Okay? Yes. Thanks. Have a nice day.